Well, there's nothing worse than dating someone that you really, really like, and then them suddenly go missing in action. How do you handle it?
Send out a search party.
That's your topic this morning.
Negative. No, I'm joking.
Top 7 reasons guys ghost women and how to deal with it when it happens.
Number
to
1,
you.
they have no spine. Number 2, they have no backbone. Number 3, they have neither a spine nor a
Well, that
backbone.
says something, but people might not take it the right way, so I'm not going to say it.
Marvin, what was your reason?
If him ghosted me and him was a duppy in the first
Well,
place.
I told him this morning at the top of the show that sometimes a ghosting is a gift. Because and say, that's a good baggage.
Just make
Might
sure
find that
after
your
him
luggage
ghost
get
you,
lighter.
after him ghost you, and resurrect him though.
You should haunt him. That's
Do
what
not
you should do.
don't be like Jesus trying to raise Lazarus.
Yeah.
If he's gone, he's gone.
Move on.
So top 7 reasons guys ghost women. So
Wait.
they're gonna tell you why.
Go on to the definition of ghosting
Oh,
first.
then we not say already take away himself.
The practice of ending a personal relationship with someone by suddenly and without explanation withdrawing from all communication.
Same take away himself.
Not a line, not a letter,
And
not
block
a
you.
50 cent stamp.
Block you on social media. And block you on your foot. Cut you off.
So why did he ghost you guys? Number 1, apparently.
You're more into him than he is into you. But why would you have to ghost someone though, guys? If she's more into you than you are into her, just say so. Marvin, we're not talking about that this morning.
Wow, Marv, just take it down a couple of notches. There was a counselor here. She's gone. Like, you could talk to her outside. I'm just saying.
Just say to the person. Anyway, ladies, this is a serious thing though, because sometimes some of we not take the hint them when them come
It's
towards
true.
me. So sometimes you need remember me say we must ask the questions we really don't want to get the answers to, but we have to ask. So at some point in time you have to ask, what's this about?
Actually, you
What
may
is
be
this about?
you may be doing her a favor by ghosting her, because there are some women who just don't value themselves enough to realize that after he wipes his feet on you the 50th time, that you must take yourself away. So, but I agree.
Yeah.
I think if you're in a relationship with someone, or I guess this may not be a relationship, it may just be a thing,
Yeah.
and you realize it's not your thing, you should be able to say, this is not my, whether it's a man or a woman, it's not my thing.
Yeah.
Now work, now feel this.
Yeah.
Deuces. You know what I mean?
Ask. So this is going to be an awkward conversation, but it's something that we have to talk about. Because I'm kind of feeling that you're not feeling this. Nothing wrong with that, you know, ladies.
Yeah.
Ask the question. Now, if him tell you, say, no, what you talking about? Of course, me I feel you. Then him ghost you. Him was a duppy to start with, and him will be a duppy
Forever.
But
And this thing is
hopefully
saying
you'll be
that,
honest and tell you it nah go nowhere.
yeah, this is saying that a lot of men like the challenge. It's just the conquest. So after them run you down and you know, you say, all right. Then they're like, It's like when the dog run down the car and the car stops.
Yeah, and them say,
What do you do now? So, but you must be able to pick up the signs,
then him was a
ladies.
duppy
Yeah.
already.
But this one is the same thing I was saying. He wants to avoid confrontation.
Most men would rather stick needles in their eyes than confront a woman, mostly for fear that she may cry,
No,
and he will in turn feel like a bad
I
person.
don't believe this.
That's from 1963. That I
I
don't know
don't
again.
believe that.
I
It's
don't know
nothing
again.
about her
You have some man
tears.
and woman that crime say, "What you do about your ball?"
Yeah, it's nothing
About
about her tears. It's about your own comfort. You don't want to confront because it's going to make you uncomfortable. So you take yourself
It's say
away.
he feels like a bad person. But if you're leading somebody on though,
You're a bad person.
okay. So Anna really does feel you are. Number 3, there's no chemistry. When there's no chemistry, there ain't gonna be no biology. I'm just
It's true.
no chemistry, no biology.
Well, actually,
and that's just physics.
Some people are able to biologize without
when there's no chemistry,
Of course.
There's some chemistry. Now, whether it is acidic or it is alkaline now is the issue.
I know some people don't need no science to work out that one day. But if you're out with a guy who believes there's no chemistry, it is likely that he will say, next, and goes through. That's the situation. Again, he's done you a favor. He's done you a favor.
If that's the situation, like some of them gas there, we're in the chem lab, let him go. Let him evaporate.
Evaporate out.
Yes.
He's scared he'll get an out-of-control response to rejection. Dude, like what kind of crazy people are you with?
Men like crazy people, by the way.
Is that
By the
true?
way, they do. Men say, men don't like drama. I don't like drama. I don't want a woman that give me drama. Drama, I'm not into drama. And then if you sit down for a month, you go, I thought you said they didn't like drama, though.
Men like drama?
If them love drama, Simone.
That's a news to me.
Them love drama, man. Them love drama. Give them something to talk about in the canteen and when them a play football. And them say,
dog, you know, such a ball over me. And
you know, go home. No, sir. We go home a peer argument. We can't manage her, you know. Then you'll hear that for like 5 years. They love drama.
Okay.
They love drama. Out of control response to rejection really is because they don't want their tires. It's really the protection of their car. It's in protection of their car, not their feelings. Let me say, me tell that woman, I say, me not like, but probably I'm going to take the bus, go tell her, I say, me not like her, you know. Because I don't want she stop with my car tire, I don't want she key my car, I don't want to have stone flicking on my windshield.
Honestly.
Me
Again, though.
I forgot park at my mother's yard for the next month because she let my mother live.
What kind of lady are you?
Marvin.
If she's slashing the tires, she have a little
Marvin
bit
and
of
Sheffield.
slightly crazy.
No, but hold on though, Sim. He's scared of getting an out of control response to rejection. I would say to the men, don't wait though. If you know, say really this not going anywhere, don't sit in it and say, boy, I mean, I really like her, you know, but she can't cook, you see, man. And you're there, the woman you had every Sunday, and I'm the woman rice and peas and fried chicken and potato salad. And you say, boy, I mean, I really like her, you know, but, you know, so she work them always, I get some free ticket for go at things. And so you have the woman string, that's what?
Marvin is very
I'm
best.
ignoring him. So when you have the woman stringing her along,
Marvin
that
is
she
very
actually feels that this is going somewhere. And then you say,
Yeah.
I find the next woman who live nearer than her we can cook though. So I'm gonna save some gas, you know, so I'm gonna tell her, that's when you're gonna get, that's when you're going to get the kind of response that you're hoping not to get. So in order not to get the response there,
In other words, don't keep using her when you realize that it's done. Because then you're going to make her want to create a duppy out of you, which is what you're trying not
she's
to
going to
happen.
ghost you.
If he thinks you're needy, I think this one is true. If they think you're needy, they're going to object. It's a thing. Abort! If a man feels that you're too needy or too much work, all bets are off, and you can pretty much bet that you are going to get ghosted.
That one is a thin line, though.
No man wants to have that much pressure put on him to meet all of your needs. Wait,
that's a thin line, though, you know. Because men get they say no, but they get a little intimidated by independent women.
Yes, Marvin. There are some men who, as a means of control and for their own self-worth and to build up their own machismo and ego, they want you to depend on them for everything, and then they want to be able to just pull the rug from under you. Negative. Ladies, how do women independent throw your hands up at me? Don't depend on no man for nothing.
Or
be able to earn yours and keep yours.
Yeah. Or they say, no man, it's my girl, my like independent girl, and she did this, she that. And then they go pick up one next woman where they might take care of on the side. Because they like to feel needed. Them like to have to send the credit to the phone. Them like to send the credit to the phone. Yeah.
Here's this one.
They like to get the 2 for 1.
This one is a race. I beat you to it. So him know say you not feel him, but him know why you get the opportunity to tell him say bye. So he goes you first.
Oh, well, that is not a problem.
Goes him first.
Well, if him do that, God church and bless God.
It's a ghost. It's a ghost race. Yeah. Apparently. Which duppy wins
Well,
first?
if you not go ghost him and him ghost you first, you know,
It's
just
all
go to
good.
church and say God answers prayer in the morning.
It squits out. It squits out.
God answer
All
prayer.
right. And then this one, he became serious with someone else. Some men are amazing. How does a man spend so much time with you
Oh, Simone.
and clone himself to spend so much
Oh,
time with
Simone.
somebody? I mean, you feel like the only person in his universe, and then when you check, you don't only have one, you know? He juggling like
ever hear when
three.
some woman attack and them say, no, him don't love you because you wonder when 24 hours in a
Jesus
day, when
God.
find time.
No,
Him
sir.
not got work.
It's a skill set.
It's a special
A
skill
very
set.
special skill.
Special skill set.
Yeah,
And it's very good time management.
if he goes you for that reason, again, he has done you a favor.
But you see, the problem is you don't know that's why he's ghosting you. I'm just gone.
That's true.
So him get serious with somebody else, and rather than say, look, you know what? Him gone.
But don't these things usually come to light, though?
Well, you go
Eventually.
Jamaica small, so
Yeah.
you walk a street and you buck up. That's why you see so much fight go on. You go out and you buck them up, and then the poor woman will sit down with him, and she said, "Sonny, what you do?" And she's like, "What's she talking about? We've been dating for 2 years. When you say him leave you last month, what?"
Juggling.
And this is the ghost, as ghosts will do.
Juggling, trust me.
So don't just look from side to side.
And let me tell you, boy.
Moral
ghosts-
of this story: some of them man you haunted. That's why them gonna ghost you.
Whether it's Halloween or not. Yeah, so yeah, Marvin is very...
Marvin is taking this ghosting thing very seriously. A woman ghosted you?
You need to call a pastor and have an exorcism, though. We'll
Light
be right
some
back,
candle, them
everybody.
ghosts.
Ray Queel, you're on TV. Hi. You don't believe in ghosts, right?
I believe that they're, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Did you hear any of our discussion a while ago?
Not really. I
Okay.
was busy doing something
Yeah,
else.
come me feel like you're gone.
We
for
were
another
just telling
plane.
women that when some men ghost them, they must be thankful and they must make Raquel pray,
You have
keep
to
praying
tell her-
for
you
them
have to tell her
because
what
you've
ghosts
released
mean.
them.
You know
Ghosts
what?
mean when the man disappear.
Oh, that's what it means.
Yeah,
Ah.
and without a trace. Which can be a very good thing, right?
It could be.
If you don't good for you, it's a good thing.
It could be.
Yeah.
Sometimes we think we're losing something when it's actually a blessing.
Oh,
See it
Jesus.
there?
And with that, I'm gonna.
He was a duppy from
Amen.
morning.
Rax will send it over to you for news. See?
Thank you so
Minister
much.
says so, it is so. Amen.
He
So let
was
it
a
be. We'll
duppy
be right
from
back.
morning. He gonna be a duppy in the evening.